Riley, do we...
Yo, good morning everybody. Yes, it's my grandmother's birthday today. Yo, thank you very much for the spanking ranking for the 50 months, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. And brother Eru, thank you for the 42 months, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. So yes, it is my nan's birthday today. It's only like the second birthday since she passed away. Yeah, time flies, man. Time flies. How we doing? Whew. She's cold today, bro. Oh, what's up, Drippies and Roba as well? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. How it doing? How it doing? Good morning. Ready to get some designing done today, hey? That is us today. Yeah, so we got your birthday today. No, it's my nan's birthday, so my grandmother. But she passed away like 2 years ago. Now, if you know, like, I had a real close relationship with my grandmother. So yeah, today is pretty much all about her. Yeah. Not a day goes by when I don't think about my grandmother. But yeah. Hope you have an amazing day today. Thanks, man. Yeah, so today's stream is dedicated to my grandmother who passed away 2 years ago. It's her birthday today. She would have been one of the most Papega numbers in our generation, 69. She would have been 69 today. And yeah, some of you know, yeah, I was raised by my grandmother. Majority of my teenage years in life. And yeah. So for last, oh, it's all good, man. Just you know, it's always good to acknowledge those that have passed on. But it's a birthday today. Cheerio, brother Otter. Thank you for that, be here. Okay, so today we're gonna carry on with some more designing. More designing today. What's up, Sora and Hawaiian Boy on YouTube as well? I was gonna go live on Twitter, but I thought, nah. Okay. Yeah, so majority of my teenage years, so probably from when I was 9, right up until the day I turned 16, because I left home at 16 to go to a better school here. So, yeah, my grandmother raised me for all those years, like, while my mum was away studying. Like, I go to my mum's on holidays, but the majority of my schooling years within that range, I stayed with my nan. Thank you, Blake. Hope you have a classroom today. Thank you, brother. Alright, yeah, so today, yeah, if you notice that, it's just because, yeah, I wear this jacket because it's the last thing I have of my grandfather's. My nan always took me to cool places because we didn't have much money growing up. My nan's the best. Yeah, same with us, my bro. Like, but all the time I was like out in the bush looking for the one stick gun to rule them all. If you ever found a good quality stick gun in your young days, goat. Okay, that's us, eh? Can't beat a good quality stick gun. Okay. Where's our sun coming from today? Here? Okay. Sorry, I started a bit late too. I was dawdling quite a bit today, just moving around, doing nothing. What's the temperature like? Oh, it's, warm enough to wear shorts. I like Broxigar too. Yeah, Broxigar's my favourite WoW character. He's a freaking badass, man. I feel like it was a very, very missed opportunity to showcase more of him in Legion. Because him and only 2 people like injured Sargeras in their time, and the way they incorporated Broxigar into Legion, I thought it was a real missed opportunity to show how badass he really was. What's your opinion on the WoW movie? I'll be honest, only all the orc parts were cool. The human parts were like Resident Sleeper. I feel like they didn't showcase enough of the races of WoW in the game that much. It was a bit of a stab here, stab there, and stab everywhere. Like, for a game that has such a rich lore, right? Yeah, I felt like it was a missed opportunity to use more of it. Morning now, brother Ed. How's the views today, my bro? Chat, if you don't know Ed in the Twitch chat, bro, he has got the cup of tea standard view at his house. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. The big giant petrified stingray next to Australia? Yeah, I live on that. I live on that, brother. But I've been looking, I looked into the swimming yesterday for the Olympics. And their swimmer from China, they gassed everyone. Oh, bro, that was so good. What makes it even funnier, some coaches are being little piss babies about, their athletes losing. Saying that, like, he was doping and what, or like he was using performance enhancing whatever. But I was like, bro, Michael Phelps gassed everyone too, and they didn't say anything about him when that happened. G'day from Germany, because ooh, hairy bird, Uzo. What the hell are you doing over in Germany, Uzo? Oh man, I watched this real funny TikTok. It's this gym guy, and it's Sorry if I offend, but the guy goes, "There's a reason. The reason why people in Germany don't train front delts." And he does a front delt raise, and a specific speech from a specific person from back in history plays, and he drops the weight. I thought that was quite a funny, creative. Sorry if I offend people for that, but bro, that was too funny not to laugh at. I am German. Nah, you an Uzo now. So talented. Oh, thank you, brother. How are we today, TikTok? Also, TikTok, I have a bit of I have an opportunity tomorrow on TikTok as well. I don't know what it is, but there's an event I got scheduled for on my profile page. I think it's like a TikTok showcase at 9:30 in the morning. So it's currently 10 for me, or 10 something, but yeah, 30 minutes behind the time as of now. Yeah, I'll be on a TikTok some event. I'm not really TikTok savvy, so yeah, to all the TikTok pros in the TikTok chat right now. Yeah, we're gonna be having our own TikTok event. Turbo Sick Work. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so we're just going to be working on some of the lines here. This is the only kind of lines we do on the stream. And then we'll start hitting some pakatis in. Hello, random, but what's your favorite food? That is not a random question. That is a top quality question. I am a food connoisseur in my dreams. But yeah, I love free food, but if I can't choose free food, it'd probably have to be like salmon sushi. I'm a Californian roll Andy. I reckon you give me 3 trays of that, bro, it still won't be enough because I love sushi. Free food is gold, yeah, man. Even at TwitchCon, I got interviewed, like, what's your favorite food? I went, oh, free food. And then the interviewers at TwitchCon kind of paused for a bit and they cracked up laughing. I went, what's funny? I'm being serious. You put a free sign on there, platter man, I'm in there. Don't have to spend a goddamn dime. What in a helmet? I'm currently in the UK, so it's 11:17 at night. Yeah, Did you get the kebab yesterday? I did. I did. And I must say, it was absolutely sensational. Yeah, I got my kebab yesterday, and bro. What's that, is it Future? Or Quavo? Life is good. I was even like Nacho Libre, I love my life. I love this kebab. Yeah, I'll have to go salmon sushi, kebabs. Listen to me if I'm turning into fandom. What else? And I won't lie, I don't shy away from a fruit platter. Eh? I don't mind a fruit platter. Polynesian fandom much. I like it when his chat roasts him. Like 21 servings, 21 savage. It's funny when they roast the shit out of him. His chat's funny. You can eat salmon raw? Yeah, I only raw dog salmon. I don't know, I just never liked it cooked, eh? And yes, and before everyone says, watch out for ringworm, I know. I've seen the documentaries of the bears that are walking down the track and then the worms are like flowing out of their ass. But I guess bears, you know, raw dog salmon even more when they're sitting in the river. You should try make from the Irish sport called hurling. Is that when they throw those things? Yo, Saifu San and T Hillman, no me. Nothing like ass worms to ruin your day, bro. They get pretty long too, eh? Brother be out there in the wilderness going, as you can see, we have the grizzly bear. Slowly walking down the track in the wilderness as the worms exit the rectum. Some would even hypothesize that that is nature's rope. Bro, you never know, eh? Oh, I'll tell you, man. I'll tell you. Oh, content idea. How about we watch a nature show, I'll put it on mute, and I'll try and voice over the whole thing. Oh, bro, that'll be hard too. I'll probably keep Cam off for it, because the way I try and do my Sir David Attenborough voice, I try and, you know the Aemond off House of the Dragons? I try and make my jawline look like his. Bro, that dude's got a bit of a crimson chin on him, eh? No wonder Vega liked him. I can see Vega now. Oh dear Lord, he's got quite a chin on him, this dear boy. Granny accepts you as his rider. Old ass dragon. Video editing idea for anyone who loves House of the Dragons like me. Get every single video of Vhagar roaring and put turkey noises over it, because bro, that neck makes me think it's a turkey all the time. Kinda reminds me of a fat bastard's neck after he goes on his Subway diet. I got a lot of excess skin. My neck looks like a... I'm not gonna say it, but you know. Bro. Rox, I just saw you enjoyed watching wrestling as well. Bro, my tribal chief is back, my tribal chief is back. But I'll be honest, I hope... like everyone's expecting him to be like babyface now, eh? But it'll be cooler if he stayed heel. Bro, heel Roman Reigns was the creme de la creme for me, brother. It was so good. And everyone hated him for it, so that means he was doing his job even better. It was definitely like a turn I didn't think was gonna happen for sure. And bro, I was there for it 100%, bro. Box, oh yeah, I was there for it. Yeah, OTC, original tribal chief. I like Jacob Fatu. His shirt, his merch is cool too. But I've been waiting for Jacob Fatu to join WWE for ages. But yeah, I gotta say, man, that Survivor Series, or SummerSlam, sorry, was sick. Where are you located? Father-in-law is Mean Carver. Oh, true. Yeah, I'm located in Rotorua. So today, I think for today we'll do our pākatis in here. We'll do those today. But I'll just get all these little things out the way first. How is Jacob as crazy a block term? Bro, his aerial moves are hardcore too and so polished. I watched that botched wrestling video. I think it was from, I don't know what they called, like a grassroots wrestling federation, and guy jumps onto the turnbuckle and his leg gets caught underneath and he snaps his leg. I was like, oh brother, no to the thank you. Do you stand them? Yeah, I do, brother. We stand them. Thank you very much for the gift, these guys. Hello, Joseph. And I see that there's a new guy that joined, or that debuted on Raw too. Odyssey. Is he gonna join the New Day? Put a background static again. Oh yeah, no, I know how to fix this. I just got to do the cartridge treatment. One moment. There you go. How about that? No more static? Does anyone on TikTok watch wrestling? Hi, my wife. Hi. Only the old days of wrestling, triple threat match. Yeah, bro. Attitude Era. I feel like no one's come close to Attitude Era. Yeah, been following Henare for a while. Buzzy to see him do his thing. I really want to get a New Japan shirt just to show some support to him. I'm just wondering if Henare has any merch too. Definitely cool to see a Maori out there in the wrestling scene too. But also it's cool to see people from here in the wrestling scene. Like we got Dakota. She's out there. I hope she gets a solo push soon. She bloody deserves it. And hey, what's his name? Started watching WWE again. Oh, true. Yeah, I feel like it's getting better again. Rocks the kindest hearted man to ever grace the planet. Hey, what's up, brother? Brunson. Yeah, there's quite a few, eh? Yeah, Dakota's been doing really good. I wish they let her win Money in the Bank. I was really like banking on her taking it out. But I feel like she definitely deserves a solo push. Alright. I just need to get a chisel. Bin day here, my bro. We double dipping today. It's normie rubbish and recycling today. So we on the double dips today, chat. Watching from Vermont. Hello. Yo, Mystical. Okay, Mystica. INL, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. So I last saw it, insane. Cheers, brother. You well and truly over halfway. We're leaning more towards the end of the finish line now, so I'm getting ready to prep this design so we can cut it out today. So that's what we're going to be putting on display today. Well, I gotta mute my phone so it don't interrupt TikTok's viewing. There we go. What's up, man? Love your work. Thank you, guys. How's it going? Very good, man. Very good. Oh, it's just a good day. Probably gonna go and take my kids to see their great grandmother after school. Can take her some flowers and clean her up a bit. Yeah, I just know, like, it's my nan's birthday today. She wouldn't want me to, you know, be a sad boy. Hey, what's up, kinda angry? Kia ora, bro. Thank you, pork sausage. Anyone watch the final ep of season 2 of House of the Dragons? My wife and I just finished it last night, and now she's jumping into Game of Thrones. I forgot how badass Ned Stark was. The King of the North. One moment, I'm just looking for a chisel. There you are, someone called Pork Sausage on TikTok gifted. Isn't it like 10 episodes? Like 8? Oh, it was... Everyone was saying there's the season finale last night on episode 8. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure. I'm kind of just going with what everyone's saying on thing, to be honest. So what I'm currently carving is called a manaya. A manaya can be many things in our culture, from a representation of your mana or status, to indicating how many children an individual had, or it can be a kaitiaki as well. A kaitiaki is a guardian, okay? Something that watches over you. Now, that's the avenue that we're going with this. Now, this manaya has 2 heads. Reason why is because it's for twins. Hence the reason why both the heads of this carving don't have the same design either. So we're doing the second design now, which is called Hai Pakati. Hai are these rows here. Hai means to cut, and the pakati are the notches that will be applied within the center line. What food do you not like, or you can't understand why people like it? Why do we call it nut milk and not nut juice? What the fuck? I mean, just like honey, right? Why don't we call it bee spew? Because that's what it is. Cool, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. That's all it is, to be honest. Morning, Donny, over on YouTube. Do you believe in the Lord Jesus Christ? I'll be honest, it's not a faith I follow. I just believe in the gods of my own people. But in saying that too, there are some of my people that converted to Christianity when the missionaries came over many, many moons ago. But yeah, just for me, the way I think about it, I only follow the faiths of the gods of my own people, culture. Not so much, faiths that were brought over by another, who I'm not from. That's just how I look at it. Not trying to offend anyone, but I hope no one takes offense. I'm not really all about religion streamer. I'm just someone who touches wood in the morning repeatedly 365 days a year. That's a lot of touching wood, I tell you. That's how many days in a year, eh? I actually don't know, to be honest. That's just a wild guess. What do you think of the new Deadpool movie? I haven't seen it, but I have seen the intro on TikTok because every person and their dog has uploaded it, and the intro lives rent-free in my mind. I love it. You can't deny a classic song, chat. Bye 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 by NSYNC was the mecca of the boy band era back in those days. And it just fits his persona so well. But let's be honest. What are you making? We are designing a manaya. What do you do with the wood? These are going Rangers or Celtics football. Is this like American or football, like Euros football? My stepdad will love your vids. Oh, introduce him to them if you like. We have a YouTube as well. Yeah. Sharpening up real quick. I tried and he doesn't really use anything but Facebook. Fair enough. Yeah. Just maybe put on YouTube one day and then, put on one of the VODs or something. Do you support it? Not really. I don't really support a football team. Some of the sports I watch is just rugby. I started getting into football last year, or gridiron or American football, when I went to TwitchCon, because when the Rugby World Cup was on, I was trying to look for a pub to watch the rugby, and all that was on was NFL here, NFL there, NFL everywhere, and I got into it. But I like the Eagles because of Patrick Kelsey. He's funny as, and Jordan Mailata. And one of my boys plays for the Packers now. They're probably the other team I'd support. Green Bay. Hold on, chat. I like that guy from the Rands as well. Is it Nakua? He's pretty gangster. Malo Lele, opinions on Scotland. Oh, I've got no bad opinions on Scotland. It's definitely a country I'd like to travel to one day. Alright. Better before, once you get to the north, it's an ancient, untouched land. Oh yeah, bro, I'll probably fall in love with Scotland if it's like that. 100%, my bro. I'd like to, if it's even possible, like go to like heritage sites too, if that's even a thing in Scotland. Go to where you know, William Wallace stood. Alright, so now that we've etched all these notches in, we have to clean them out now. Joe, brother Chris. Have you ever been to Brazil? No, the only countries I've been to is America and Australia. Whew. See, there's a couple steps with this design that we have to take, but well, you get to just chill out and watch me do it. So y'all got the best seat in the house. The occasional snot rocket will be taken here and there, chat. The Scots are very much like the Maoris, very tribal and rural people. That's what I love about it, eh? That's what I love about Scotland. You know, NFL is about to open an academy and... Oh, really? More kids from down south making the jump into college. Oh, cool. If I ever, like, you know, had a son, it'll be interesting to see what sport they take up. Like my daughter, she's really gotten into swimming, and she's getting into playing touch now, touch rugby. But they both enjoy gymnastics as well, bro. They love watching Simone Biles. They call her the best one. Yo, Christopher, thank you very much for gifting a sub, brother. If you like rough sports like rugby, you watch some Scottish shinty. Oh, what's that sport? Sorry, chat. Gosh, this timber is almost as stubborn as I am. Yeah, so it's going to be a lot of back and forth with this design today, chat. Because the one thing about this, you have to make sure, like, all the walls of the pakati are relatively the same. And that's initially what we're trying to aim for. Can you post a little pakati while you're in luck? Because I'm doing it today. Flag for boys, she enjoys. Yeah, that's all I most likely do. I always laugh at, I know they're like lip protectors, but the pacifier mouth guards they wear. I never knew what they were ages ago. I was like, oh, maybe she's still on her like pacifier face. Then my cousin, who's really into like American football, he goes, "It's a mouth guard, you dickhead." I was like, oh. My bad. So I just thought she liked pacifiers. My bad. But yeah, man, I feel like even with a lot of the girls, bro, they break ankles so good, man. I watch a lot of I'm pretty sure everyone knows this guy. Destroying. I like watching his videos. I really like watching his videos, man. Real physical hockey with wooden sticks. Oh, okay. Yo, alright. Well, I always watch Destroying 101s, yeah, bro. What's up, wife?
I was just thinking, so maybe going to have dinner at your mum's tonight or something.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Good thinking.
Good thinking. Yeah, I enjoyed the Hawaii campus tour video. Oh, wait, he went to Hawaii as well? Are we allowed to like watch his Destroying's videos on stream? Surely, eh? Is he still with what's those young bucks names? FaZe Clan? Wasn't he with them at one point? He was, right? But it's more kids stuff now, like under 12. Oh, okay. AJ Green, nah. Oh no, your live is glitching. Oh, really? Is it glitching for anyone else? They carved them with stone chisels. Heaps glitchy. Oh no. Okay. What could be causing that, I wonder? It's alright now? You sure? just want to make sure you know, have a good viewing experience while we do this. I just want to make sure you're all good, that's all. Like literally for me, yeah, it's TikTok. I think TikTok's on the glitchy vibes. The social media, your career. Also like live streaming, not so much posting. Sorry if I'm getting in the way. I was trying to find a Zelda timeline video last night to see how I could map out playing all the games. Does anyone have one? I should really add the Discord link to my TikTok profile. Are you religious, man? I just believe in my own culture, or my own people's gods, brother. Watching this from Sacramento. Hey, brother. Over on YouTube. Who's the carving for? It's for two twins. It's for their birthday. So this, yeah, that's a commission of 3, so we had to carve 3 things. Well, I only had to carve 2. One was already carved, thanks to my uncle. So just a little bit of an insight to this commission too. It wasn't mine to begin with. It was actually my uncle's. The one who taught me how to carve. But unfortunately he passed away a couple months ago, and it was given to me to finish, pretty much. It was given to me to finish as one of his, you know, students. Oh. Sorry to hear, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Yo, Nerdo3, thank you for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, my brother. Let me just give you the, yeah, because I made a new Discord. I still haven't gotten around to changing the latest. I had an old Discord ages ago, but I deleted it because it started getting a lot of weirdos in there. So we took it off. Thank you very much, Bobo. Just inside here, bro. Yeah, it's all good, brother. The main thing is, it's you know, it's my turn to carry on. So, like, the torch has been passed to me to keep Uncle's legacy alive, and I feel like, you know, the seeds that we've planted over the last couple of years is, you know, Brox has inspired a lot of younger generation of Maori kids to, you know, either pick up Whakairo, which is good, or do something they inspired, or like they, you know, do something they're passionate about. Because it's not, for me, it's not just about trying to, you know, get people to get into carving. It's also just to show, you know, if you follow your passions, it'll take you somewhere. Don't listen to the doubters. Because trust me, I had a lot of them growing up for what I do in life. And in the words of Chris Brown, look at me now. Look at me now. No, that was cringe. So there have been a few of the young bucks out there that have taken up Whakairo because of watching the stream and being inspired, and I don't mind, you know, adding that to Uncle's legacy. In my opinion, anyway. Hey, my brother! Sup, hard hat, nice cocks. Appreciate you, brother. Much love. I'm going to Australia from Newcastle, England for a year. Wanted to visit. When is the best time to go? Any Australians in the YouTube chat? I stay next door, brother, in New Zealand. But I'll be honest, bro, it's summer there all time around, so I think you'll be good. Those dudes don't know what a winter is, I think. Just like their rugby team. Just start bringing in their teams. Yeah, I stay next door, brother. Hey, talking about... No, my uncle's name was Mani Te Are. Very gentle giant he was. But yeah, all in all, I hope, you know, there's not just the younger generation, just anyone you know, follows their passions in life as well. Trust me, I did things that I didn't like, you know, working a job I didn't enjoy. But wait, is someone being brain rot in TikTok? I wanna see. Sorry, I'm nosy. Who is it? Who's being brain rot? People think I get offended by people that be papega in my chat, but I'm out here like, you know, when you see drama on the road, you know, when you see drama on the road and you're like in the corner of your window like this. That's the same with, you know, papegas in the chat. That's how I like say. Where are they? Do you like Ford Couriers? Ford? I'll be honest, I don't really get the things. I'll say this about Ford people that drive Ford Rangers: actual tossers on the road. Bloody tossers, man. Where did you learn how to carve? Movie over? Huh? Reddit is always mad about something. Very true, very true. But you could shit backwards and there'll be a Reddit thread why they hate you so much. Let's be honest, bro. Oh, nah, you're all good, brother. That's just the internet, my bro. Calibre, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Where'd you learn how to carve? My uncle taught me at the age of 12 back in primary school, and then eventually I carried on my learning at NZ Maki, or New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute. So that's the most prestigious carving school in the world. I don't know about now because there's some master carvers from that school that have started their own school, so looking forward to the competition. Yeah, the only thing with that school, brother, you have to be of Maori descent. You have to bring in like your lineage and everything. Doesn't matter what percentage, could just be your big toe, you know, you still qualify. I don't know about now. I haven't really been back to that school in a while. It feels different up there. Like, I don't really, you know. Because I used to go there like maybe twice a week to see everyone. But these days I don't. Different vibe up there now. Hey, Sturdy. What's up, my brother? I don't know, I could hate you if they do. They got issues. And they got issues. Yo, Hardhead, you going to TwitchCon at all? TikTok. There's something on my screen that said Vault expires in 57 minutes. What does that mean? Have to come over when I'm on the side of the world. Cheer, brother. What does a vault mean? Nah, not the sheer sadly. Oh, cool. Okay. That's good. I'd be pretty toxic if you were. They're like, bruh, I'm missing some more, bros. Thank you very much, Shanazzle, for the Optimus Prime. Are you into cars or anything like that? I've only just recently started getting into like cars because of my mate Hoss. He's a drifter for Hoonigan, and yeah, it was him, brother. I watch a lot of like, I don't really know too much, but I normally watch a lot of the like Liberty Walk stuff, and one of the locals as well, Mad Mike. Shout out to Mad Mike. Watch a lot of his stuff. I'll be honest too, I'm not a purist. I really like those cars that have you know, been done right up. Especially that Ferrari F40 from Liberty Walk. These Hoonigan boys are wild. Yeah, bro. I still want to get a Ken Block t-shirt too. I was devastated about that news. I think I found out on stream. Yeah, Twitch chat told me the day it happened. Ken Block, who else do I watch? Daigo Saito. I like watching him. If there was ever like something I'd want to learn how to do, is just being a mechanic. For, you know, if I could, a passion project is, you know, a car. Do up a car. But yeah, this is. I think I'll stick to what I know. Touching wood. Ken Block from Hoonigan Racing. Yeah, bro, he was legendary. Who's gone? Ken Block. Yeah. Absolute giga chad of a drifter. But yeah, the Hoonicorn, I love that car and the Hoona truck. That's how I came across Ken Block. Was those two particular cars? Hello from the Philippines. Hello. Is it Kamusta? Wait. Hello from Italy, Italia. Hey, what's up, bro? Where you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Watch it. Okay, well, guess what? That's one side done. Definitely starting to make a name for yourself here, bro. You're better driver than I am, that's for sure. And I'm on my full bloody license. I'll be honest, I only got my full license when I got pulled over, just like my restricted. Man, I drive a manual, and when I get in an automatic, I I sometimes face plant on the windscreen because I forget you don't need it. You don't have the clutch there, and I'm so used to driving manual, babe. It happens all the time. Wana brother, kia ora nei hana tino atahua. Tēnā koe. Yes, TikTok, so if you're not up to anything tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna happen, but our page has got a scheduled live. I don't really know too much about TikTok lives. In a sense, I just push live and that's about it. Hey, we got a scheduled live event tomorrow at 9:30. It's on my profile. Hello from Canada. Hey, how's it going, eh? Alright. Now, we do the other side. Hello from Malaysia. Kia ora. What's up, Ruboro? Oh, what's happening to my TikTok? Oh, is this that puzzle thing that I have to do so my... Huh? I was about to do it then it turned off. Love your videos, man. They're so relaxing to watch. Nice. Double hue. So you'll kind of see the design start to take shape when we start this. Sorry chat, I'm in a bit of a find the board moment. Shout out to those that get the reference. Alright. Here we go. Thank you to those that have subbed on Twitch as well, whānau. Appreciate the aroha. What country are you from? I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Alright, so we're going to start from here. Hopefully you can sort of see it. I know it's very far away. Yeah, if you're watching at silly o'clock in the morning, please go to bed. Oi! Yo, hardhead, my bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you very, very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. If you did get a gifted sub, please thank our daddy. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. I think that tipped us back over 800. When I was setting up for the stream, we were at like 790. Thank you, brother. So you can sort of see what we're going for, okay? So this isn't the end of the design. We still have to clean up these walls, but we're just setting them for now. Hello from Borneo. Oh, kia ora, bro. It's 2:15 a.m. for me. Go to sleep, my bro. How do you know how to do this stuff? I was taught by my uncle, and then I went to upskill and learn more at a carving school here. And just know that everything I do in front of you, or on your TV, your monitor, your phone, your iPad, wherever you're watching from around the world, all of this is generational knowledge. So it's all been passed down. Everything I do. Whoop, hold up. Feeling a little bit of resistance here. Anjos, vermitos, vermithol. Especially you, Otter. I know it's getting late for you. So pieces coming along nicely. Thank you, brother. Detail addition, great work. Appreciate that, my bro. Yeah, we're finally getting into the nitty gritty. Finally getting into the nitty gritty. Alright. Gotta figure out what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, chat. I think we'll take a little cake over to my mum's so the kids can sing happy birthday for their great grandmother. So there we go. The design is kind of set. Now what we have to do, hey, thank you for the hat, man. What we have to do now is go back to the start and go back over and clean every single one, okay? So that's the next step. I know the designs can get really repetitive, but you know, this is kind of like what I love to do pretty much. So I never get sick of doing it pretty much. Now, let us begin. Right. So this is some more like, yeah, going over them one by one pretty much and making sure every single one looks somewhat the same, okay? So that's the goal of this whole design, pretty much making sure. How do I say this? Everything's straight up and down. That's two. But how are we doing, guys? Are you all enjoying the stream today from TikTok to Twitch to YouTube? I hope you all are. Bloody stray cats around here. Where did you get your chisels from? So, before I went to the carving school, I didn't really have much chisels. I had like 5. But the carving school I went to, when you get accepted after you apply, you get given a pack of chisels, eh? And if you graduate, you get to keep them. And obviously, yep, man's graduated. So I graduated, and well, here they are. Sorry, Twitch just showing TikTok the hardware. So that's pretty much those are pretty much my tools that I've had after I graduated. I've added to my pack over time, but the majority of them, yeah, were the ones I started off with as a student. Okay. There we go. So this is what we're going to do for today, is just like get them all even and make sure everything is somewhat the same throughout the entire thing. Thank you for the hearts, man. Okay, let's push. I guess in some ways too, like, some level of patience definitely helps. If you don't mind, doing something kind of repetitive. Me personally, I love it, eh? The chance to make something better as you progress forward. I love it. I guess it's that feeling it's definitely that feeling I get while doing this. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so far. Hey bro, have I visiting from London? You're doing great. I've been watching for an hour. Oh, has it been an hour already? I always lose track of time when I'm doing this, eh? All the time. Alrighty. Whew. Glad to see you still doing well, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Far out, it's already almost been an hour and a half. That's nutty, bro. Straight up. There we go. What's the finest chisel you use? Wakisashi chisel. I don't use it all the time because it's probably my most prized chisel. It was a gift I got for my birthday. And it's a chisel that was made by a whānau in Japan. Now their whānau was one of the families that used to make the samurai swords. Back in the day, I mean they still make them because this chisel was made out of Damascus steel. And yeah, it's probably, without a doubt, Probably my prized chisel that I have. Cause I don't use it all the time, eh? It's definitely one of those things that I like, you know. To not use all the time, without a doubt. Because that's how precious it is to me. I'll go and get it soon, eh, so I can show you. Might even clip it and put it on the TikTok. Okay, let me just go and get it. Alright, show and tell time. So this is this chisel here is probably my most prized possession out of all my tools that I have. See how much I don't use it all the time? I even kept the papers too. I think this is the English one, I think. Nope, it's the other one. Oh, I don't know where I put the English one. I do apologize, I can't read it, but I'll probably hold on to it anyway. I think the English paper's in my other box. Here. So this is it here. You can see. Right there. So yeah, it's a flat chisel. So you can kind of see. I don't know if you can see like the little designs from the Damascus steel in it at all. But yeah, this is probably my most prized chisel, this one here. Because I don't use it much. I only ever use it on like real special things. But yeah, the mods got this for me. Far out, when was it? Like, I think it was like 3 years ago for my birthday. They didn't even tell me. Like a few of the mods and a few of the people that used to show up quite a lot, they don't show up anymore. But yeah, it comes from a whānau that forge katana as well. And do the folding techniques of the they do the folding techniques of the samurai sword as well. And yeah, I don't that's probably my most prized chisel that I have. Out of all the chisels I have. Another real old one I got. This one here. So when I was a student, there was a there was this guy that came in. His family was like the wood carver for the Queen, and they'd carve all the if you're wondering which Queen, the Queen of England, and pretty much they used to carve all the coffins for the royals. And he bought all these chisels in from his great grandfather, who was the carver for the Queen, for the coffins. And he goes, "Oh, I don't know what to do with them. I'm not a carver." And all the boys go, "No, I don't want to touch those." And it's like, "Yeah, I have one the Queen's tools can carve for the indigenous boy now." So I just grabbed one, and then next thing you know, all the boys are going in and like ransacking the whole thing. I was like, "Yeah, you pussies." Yeah, I just said that just to be cheeky. I went, "Yep, the Queen's tools can carve for the indigenous man now." And the master carvers just looked at me and started laughing. I went, "Oh, well, didn't want to leave bro hanging with all these tools he didn't want." So I lightened the mood up with a joke. But that's probably the oldest chisel I have. Pretty much. Alright. So we're well over, almost like halfway. That's how much we've done so far. Within the span of, I have no idea. It'll start to get more annoying on the turn, pretty much. Because of the grain change. But yeah, just chilling, taking my time. Making sure the sides are even. Alright, let's carry on, eh? Hello from South Africa. Hello, brother. Sorry to the bro in the YouTube chat too. I don't know what you're saying in terms of the wording. Have you stuffed up a piece where you were making that you couldn't fix? No, because there's always a way. Should have seen the carving, the first Whakairo pieces ever done on stream. There we did, brother. Woo-wee! There was a rotten section on it and I just did an implant. Easy fix. Oh. Right. Alright, carrying on. Grain will change a little bit because we're starting to get on the turn. How we doing, guys? Are you all good? Sorry if I get a bit quiet and just, yeah, I get a bit too focused sometimes. But I'll try not to do it too much, eh? Also, I'm wondering what the bloody closing ceremony for the Olympics is gonna be. Just do your thing. Okay, what's everyone eating though? I need to know. I forget the Olympics finishes this Sunday. It's been a real up and down kind of Olympics, eh? I must say. Real up and down. I felt really bad for the triathletes that had to swim in that dirty ass water. Felt really bad for them, even when they were getting out of the water towards the finish line, eh? And then like spewing. That's how bad it was. Did the men's American basketball team even win gold? Not the finals yet. Oh yeah, LeBron almost lost tonight. Holy. Yo, Kodak, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Getting us halfway through the daily today. Appreciate you, my bro. Who did they play where he almost lost an eye? Okay, hold up. I'm still a bit annoyed that they didn't let Shelly and Fisher Price through. Oh, I really wanted to watch her race. They changed the rule the night before. I was pretty annoyed at that, eh? Just probably one of my favorite races or runners in women's 100 meter. Because this is her last Olympics too. And then she's finished. Caught an elbow. Oh, true. Might have to ask his son for his goggles, eh? Because isn't it the one under Bronny that wears those, I don't know what they're called, athlete glasses? Oh, that must have been a hard elbow though. Straight up. Did you see that photo of the Italian swimmer that won gold sleeping out in a random park on the ground? Because the air conditioning and the living in the athletes village is that bad. He said it was better just to sleep out on the ground in a random park. Then I thought that was really sad, to be honest. I thought that was really sad to see, you know, a gold medal athlete having to go, you know, sleep on the ground outside somewhere. Definitely no hospitality there. So yeah, I thought that was pretty sad to see. The Olympics should be ashamed of themselves for that, but unfortunately, I don't think. Yeah, I feel like this Olympics, the Olympic Association, doesn't give a fuck at all. That's what I've been feeling from it all. Like amidst all the drama that's been happening too. I've been feeling the exact same way. Like I've been watching Olympics since first one I watched was in 1996 in Georgia, and the whole feel from all the ones I've watched to now has been really, really different. Yeah, like it's been really, really different. Catching a different vibe altogether. Yeah, I'll be honest. I think something that should remain for like opening ceremonies too is like being in the stadium, eh? Like when with every opening ceremony, it's always been like you know, everyone goes into the stadium or the countries come out. That's like, I feel like the pinnacle of an opening ceremony when it comes to the Olympics, just being in the stadium or the arena with all the countries there. That's a big thing that I didn't like about, you know, the opening ceremony, and then, you know, the occasional nutsack that flopped out. I won't speak on the religious things because it's not my religion, but yeah, that was a bit much too. I don't know about, you know, having the Olympic flame in a blimp, to be honest. I thought that was kind of weird. So, what in the Brotherhood of Steel is going on here? When I saw that the Olympic flame was in a blimp. That was the vibe I got from it all. I was like, what in the Brotherhood of Steel is going on here? My dad makes custom keys out of wood for everyone in my family. Oh, nice. Yeah, like I do the occasional like 21st key here and there. The majority of the time, yeah, I'm doing other things in keys. Like I can do them, but yeah. I think the worst experience I've had with like 21st keys is when they ask for, you know, a little bit too much on the timber. There was this one lady I had this one lady I had, so she asked me to do her key, do the whole thing, and then sent it to her, did everything she asked, and she goes, oh, I don't like it. Can I send it back? And you know, it's my first time experiencing something like that. And I went, oh yeah, okay, all good. I didn't think much of it. Did everything else she wanted, and she goes, oh, I still don't like it. Can I send it back? I went, oh yeah, that's going to be an extra charge. And she started, you know, getting into an uproar about, I'm paying you this, and this, and you're charging me extra. You know, it was like $350 for the key itself. And all I said was, oh, I'm doing everything you asked for, and now you're asking for extras. So yeah, I'm gonna charge you. And she just goes, oh no, like, if you keep the key, I'll look for someone else. And yeah, I said, oh, all good. Didn't really lash out back. I said, no, all good. You're all good. And then like a week later, they messaged me again saying, is it possible to get their key? I went, and I just screenshotted the messenger she sent me, or she said to me, and I sent it back. Yeah, I screenshotted her saying, you know, fuck you, you rip off little cunt, all that type of stuff. She was saying stuff like that. And I was being, you know, civil. I wasn't trying to be an asshole. And he tried to message me back again, asking for the key back. And I, keep in mind, I didn't get paid too. So I was like, oh, nah, not really. And then, yeah, they just started, you know, mouthing off some more, this, that, and the sun and the moon. And yeah, I didn't give it. I just said, oh, I've been nothing but professional with you, and you've belittling me for no reason because you keep wasting my time. And then all I just said was, have a nice day, goodbye. So yeah, he definitely got my fair share of commission Karens there, chat. Holy. Got my fair share of them. And I tell you what, chat, she's probably not gonna be the last one either. Yeah, normally when I get people that message me and try and ask for a whole damn movie script on a key, I just go, oh no, thank you. And it's mainly with 21st keys too. All the time. Yeah, unfortunately the Karens have multiplied here, bro. Almost done, chat. I think the first, when I meet a proper Karen, like the ones people video, I'm gonna be so fascinated. Cause it's like seeing a rare Pokemon IRL. Just like their behavior. Look over there, yeah, bro. I wouldn't even say they're a rare Pokemon, because even they have a better RNG drop than a shiny. Yeah, I'd have to say they're a shiny. Let's be honest, eh? Sorry to the shiny hunting community, but whew. Almost there, guys. Thank you very much, George and B, for the gifts. We'll just finish off these last few and we'll stand it up and we'll show it off, eh? Almost done.
Did this get washed?
I think so. Or okay. Last one. Boom, chat. Alright, let's stand them up so you can see it. How long did that take us? Hello. Yeah. There we go. Oh, 2 hours. A little long, yeah. There we go. I'll turn the camera down too in terms of the brightness. So you can kind of see what we were going for. And we still have 3 more of these rows to do. What you reckon?
What did you do? Oh, yeah.
This row of pakatis. All good? Yeah, so how many did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22, 30, 36. 36 all up. That's how much we did. Quite a fair bit. Quite a little bit, yeah. Hope everyone's having a chill day. Yeah, Akagami, yeah, bro, it's getting pretty solid. We just finished designing the body of this carving. So I'll move it back a little bit so you can see some more. There it is. Some crossovers may have been better, just to like show a little bit more, you know. Show a little bit more mastery. But that's all good. It's all good. So you can barely see it from there. Alright, yeah, I'll pull it forward a bit more so you can see it properly. Some little wood tags. There you go. Wood tag there. Wood tag there. Wood tag here. There we go. Yeah, buddy. And now we have to do. So we got this one to do. 1, 2, and 3. So those are the last ones we have to do. And you should be good after that. Look great, brother. Thank you very much, Tob. Or is it Tob? Okay. Must be Tob. Okay. Wait. We'll do this headache. That looks so good. Hey, thanks, brother. Okay, we're gonna go this way now. Marlo from Auckland, kia ora. Hello. How's it in Auckland? Oh, yep, that's my washing. Okay, guys. Hey, thank you very much, Yakimeshi, for the... What are those? Huts? Rosie, kia ora, kia ora. Are you Samoan? I'm a Maori. But yeah. Got love for my, Polynesian people, though. Yo, don't run, please. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. Much appreciated. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, please say thank you. We are, how far are we? Oh, 21 out of 30. Shut. What's the weather like out there? The weather today is quite tranquil. Not a cloud in the sky. The odd working man grinders in the background, doing construction things. Yeah, sunny day, bar. Sunny day. The best part of the day is almost here, aka lunchtime. What am I having for lunch? I have no bloody idea. No bloody idea. Wait, can you even see their TikTok, bro? You can see, all I see is chronicles of Reddit quality. There we go. Still very dark, eh? Hey, Uzumi! What's up, brother? How are you, brother? Okay, just want to watch out for that edge, chap. Now, we don't want to hit that goddamn edge now. Then we're rolling a saw in the board, now cut it. I'll climb every ladder with a hammer and a nail, I'll nail it. Yeah, we work so hard to build a little house together. No matter what the weather, we're together. Oh, it's getting darker and darker, eh? Jeez. I think I'm eclipsing your fella's son there, TikTok. Yeah, this is dark and dark all of a sudden. Good game, by the way. So I'm just trying to sort out the lighting on TikTok, which is not very good. Might have to do it like that. Damn, then you're gonna see all of this. Just playing some finals. Wee, how was that game? I was supposed to get into some games of the finals with my boy Jar Jar Blue. Shout out to him, by the way. But I haven't gotten around to it yet. I need to give me a wiggle emote hard hit. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Beautiful mahi, kia ora. It's coming along nicely. Yeah, we just finished the body. Probably have to clean up a few little sections here and there, but it'll take all of a few seconds, to be honest. Now we're just prepping the head. Jar Jar, yeah. I know Jar Jar, he plays a lot of RP as well. He's a really good dude, man. I've got a lot of respect for him, eh? He's definitely a good dude. Got a lot of respect for my boy Jar Jar. Yeah, so tomorrow we've got a bit of a TikTok live event that I'm part of at 9:30, so I've got to be on stream relatively early tomorrow. Got to make sure, want to make sure I'm on. For tomorrow. I think they're putting me on the front, I don't know, whatever the equivalent of front page is in TikTok terms. I'm not really too sure what it is. Seen you around a couple RP chats before. I think I've seen you in Z. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Unchbird. Yeah, I hardly RP with ADMC lot these days because my character's kind of on another path compared to them. Like, you had friends in old BBMC, but I didn't really, like, in terms of my RP character too, I didn't want to go back and cruise around with the same crew. But, like, towards the end of 3.0, my character got really acquainted with a few people from CG, so I kind of carried on with that instead. This 4.0, my character was leaning forward to joining BBMC, but time commitments there, I couldn't, so, because I'm not a RP main, I just play it when I can. And so my character's been acquainted with quite a few people from CG. Yeah, RP is a big commitment. Trust me, I'd love to play RP more, but people know me as a woodcarver more than an RPer, so I'd rather, you know, do this more. But yeah, like something I do want to say though was there was a point in 3.0 where I didn't want to stream RP anymore. Just, you know, the over invested. I made the over invested get to me a little bit. But it was people in CG and the CG community as a whole that made me enjoy and love RP again, pretty much. And so that's why I've been, you know, rolling around with them when they answer their damn phones. So like Zolo, for example, he's a streamer as well. It was him, Mateo, and nice. Oh, I have no idea how to pronounce her name. Nasayu2K, who plays Paris. It was those lot that it was those three that made me enjoy RP again. And that's why my character considers them, like, even though Junior is his only blood family he has in the city, he considers them three family as well. My character. Initially I wasn't gonna get my character into like narcotics and all that again, because bro, when they got their $1 million fine for drug trafficking on RP, I'm talking about RP, not real life. I'm a good boy. So just telling TikTok, because they're like, oh my god, Rox went to jail for drug trafficking. This dude's an actual loser. Oh bro, that took me ages to get out of there too. And yeah, my character got caught for drug trafficking, went to jail for 5,767 months. That's about 7 IRL days. Bro, that fucking sucked, bro. Yeah, and $1 million fine. Couldn't pay off his house that he had. Lost it all. So yeah, in a sense too, like, it was cool, because my character had a bit of a rock bottom arc as well, literally. And he became a hangaround for Dundee BBMC in 3.0, and it all kind of got rocky when 1 million on RP is huge. Yeah, bro, but it's so easy to make 1 million now. If you're on the server the whole day, just moonshine it. But I can only do the same thing so much for so long in RP. You know, when I'd rather just hang out with people. What was I saying? Yeah, so my character became a hangaround for BBMC. He became Junior's hangaround, so his cousins. And then eventually, you know, the Dundee bad arc started. Junior was very loyal to the PM, and he went through his storyline of feeling like he's not needed in BBMC anymore. And that put my character in a bit of a rough patch. Oh, I enjoyed that arc. I tell you, man, I'm so good at sage farming. I tell you. Sage farming is easy. And it came down to the day where my character eventually decided to leave BBMC. and he hit another downward spiral there. I played out. Okay, I'm talking about roleplay. Not real at all. Remember, GTA is a game. It's not real. I played out in his story that he became, heavily addicted to a smorgasbord of narcotics, from M to lean to weed. What else was there? Alcohol. And he lived in a cave. Yeah, so I made my character live in a cave for like a couple months. And the turning point was when his friend Rue, who he led beach crew with, saw him in the state he was in. And I played it off as if, like, it was a guilt, like a big what have I done moment. And I think it messed with Rue quite a bit too. Seeing how yeah, pretty much a caveman, my bro. It messed with Rue quite a lot as well. Just seeing how bad her mate got. And the ones that kind of... But now is the point where it was at that point where I was starting to not stream it too much too, because of the over-investeds DMing me. But at that point, that's when Junior came to Carver's rescue, pretty much, and pulled him out of that cave. Like, come and live with me, that kind of stuff. And pretty much after that, that's when Junior introduced my character to Zolo in them. And they gave him a purpose again in life. And he kind of carried that over to 4.0. He even followed them to Guatemala as well, aka Prodigy. Went to Guatemala with them. That was fun too. Prodigy was fun. Everyone plays our beautiful penthouses, supercars, Brock's cave. Yeah, I didn't know how to... I was trying to look for some real abandoned, broken building in GTA. And then I remember the caves from the base game. I was like, perfect. This is where we're going. This is exactly where we're going. To the cave! And now, in 4.0, Carver has a sense of loyalty, or my character has a sense of loyalty to a few people in CG. He's not CG, but he's loyal to a few people in there. Like, people fuck with him, he would be ready to throw down. He doesn't care. Yeah, so the lore from, it was a time skip from 3.0 to 4. Pretty much. And pretty much had to come up with a story for the time skip as well. Like, Carver left LS. I remember the last stream we did in 3.0 too. Just like cruising around to all the like iconic spots my character had throughout the story. And then eventually, getting in his truck, driving to the airport and just leaving it there and leaving. That was cool. I remember that too, because we were walking into the airport and if you go too low in the airport, the map like desinks you. And my character just fell onto a frozen ocean. That was funny, man. You from Jepara? Nope. There's no place called Jepara. You'll see you to me. I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I'll definitely try my best to show my worth. What I've been doing lately is stockpiling toe lockpicks to give to Kay. So he can use them for his guided. What up? Whew. How we doing, guys? I am getting slightly peckish, I must say. Hold on, guys, just put you over here. I didn't have dinner last night. Bro, I fell asleep watching TV holding my lemon drink in my hand, eh? And it was hot as too. I'm glad I didn't tip it on myself. I was watching Arnie last night. Arnie Dog. And I woke up, it was like 2 a.m. No, it was 3 a.m. I was like, holy old man falling asleep on the couch holding a cup syndrome. Yeah, I just woke up, sitting up, I was like, holy shit, I need a pillow and a blanket. Lie my ass down, man. I was like, oh, shocking, bro. And you know what's worse? I was dribbling. Yeah, boy, what's drink? Did you drink it off the hell? No, it was cold. And yeah, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, fuck, should I brush my teeth? I was like, nah, it's good, bed. I was like, I'll brush them in the morning when I wake up. Yeah, I just woke up and I went, oh, shocking now, fall asleep in front of the TV. That's one refreshing. The thing was, it was it's lemsip, like it was a lemon drink for, because I'm still a little bit sick. I was like, bro, that's shocking, bro. Have not heard of your news? Hello. There you go. Yeah, we should have done some crossovers, eh? But that's all good. No. I remember the vid that went viral years ago. Yeah, bro, 4 years ago, bro. That's a long time. That's a lot of room to grow, definitely. And the funny thing is, my kid's turning 4 in November. What do you think of our gothic art as in... What's that? Sorry, I'm very uneducated in other arts. I actually have a friend who does gothic art on Twitch. His name is Grumbly. He's actually from here too. So that's 10 points to Gryffindor, even more. Yeah, I mean, art is art, in my opinion. Unless all you draw is like, you know, anime girls in their front bums, so not my cup of tea. And you see a lot of that on Twitch. I remember when Twitch allowed partial nudity on stream, and bro, the furry artists went to town. I remember the day one when that rule got added, bro. All you see was just like furry animals with the most veiny schlongs across the screen. It wasn't even a furry, it was a lady. It's like, oh goodness gracious me. Yeah, bro. That was an absolute papega fest, man. It was an absolute papega fest, bro. And how long did it last? I think it lasted like a week, or maybe just under a week. And yeah, they reverted the ban or the rule. Yo, Seabeck, thank you for the 18 months, my bro. Kia ora, brother. Yeah. So they added the partial nudity thing, and then I think it didn't even start from the art section. It was a lot of FPS players putting the black bar here and down there, and just playing games. Should have used the money for a new phone. Why, when it's still working? One thing you gotta know about me, bro, I don't really give two shits about the latest things, alright? If my phone is working perfectly fine, then why do I need the latest one, you know? That's me personally. I've had this phone since 2019, 2018. And it's starting to show wear and tear now. I'm not the type of person that'll try and buy the latest thing all the time. Why? Because I don't need it. Hey, thank you very much, brother. All that started from a busted phone and they're still up there. They're over there. I plan to like frame those two nails and those strings. Yeah, I still plan on framing them if we eventually move. Like, I think, is this a real account? I think so. Is this a real account? Shh. It is hot though, I'll say that much. Is it cold where you live? So we're in winter now. It's slowly starting to get warmer. Yeah. Hi Brox, I'm following from Kuwait. Kia ora, bro, what's the time over there? Last 14 years I've had two phones. Nice. Yeah, I think that's the same for me too. Two phones. Samsungs. My first ever phone was when I turned 16. It was one of those slidey top ones. I remember, you know, back in my teenage years, when I moved here, but I was that guy. Didn't even have to look at my phone and text. I was that guy. Sending love from Chicago. Hey, cheer, bro. Chicago Bulls. What's up, David's Cookie? Bro, you remember the Motorola flip tops? Yeah, bro. My cousin had one of those. She thought she was the coolest. And then she dropped it the next day. That was the funniest shit I ever saw. When I was that age. It's like, oh, what happened? What happened to your phone? In the flip-flop bloom, or it just You got two halves. I do the same thing. Current shoes I wear are from 2016. Yeah, bro, I didn't really wear shoes that much either when I got Crooks. My Chucks that I still have, I got those. I can't even remember when I got them. That's how long it's been. And they're starting to get holes on the sides now. Would slide up and had a keyboard. Yeah, that's the kind of Samsung I had, was the slide up ones and the keyboard was underneath. Yeah, bro, I had one of those. Are you religious? I just believe in my own people's gods. I'm from Vietnam. Hello. Yeah, bro, that was the first phone I ever got when I was 16 years old. Yo, have a good one, Bear. Check my bro. Yeah, 16 was my first phone, and then I got the Samsung I had since I started streaming, and this one. Wait, no, this one, sorry. And who knows, I might even code jump when my phone eventually dies. It's on the way out. I might code jump to iPhone, I don't know. I've been using my wife's phone quite a bit, just playing her, I don't know, it's this numbers game, and you slide them across, and you slide them up, and you slide them back down, and just do that over and over again. I'm dumb as shit at it, but I just do it because it's cool. How old am I? I am 32, turning 33. I had a bird struggling on the sidewalk today, so I took him and tried to pass away, but I wanted to say a prayer. Oh, nice! Bro, there was a bird outside, and one of the strays mangled it. And, yeah, it was dead, like it was dead as a doorknob, and my kids expected me to take it to the doctors, okay? They watched me grab this dead mangled bird, put it in the truck, and drive off with it. Spoiler alert, I had it in a bag and I just threw it in the red bin, and it's gone. It's rubbish day today. And they go, Dad, did you take the bird to the doctor? I went, yeah, it's in the red doctor, the red bin. It's in the red bin, my babies. So, thank you, Dad. It's like, if only you knew. I'm not a mage, I'm a warrior. Okay, TikTok. My phone is starting to get flat now. I do apologize though, I'm on like 5%. My battery, so I'm probably going to finish up the TikTok stream for now. Tomorrow at 9:30. I think I'm doing some international TikTok thing. I have no idea what it is, but we're going to be showcasing my culture to even more people on TikTok tomorrow. So, ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Thank you very much to everyone on TikTok for joining today. Yeah, flat phone things is why I have to end the stream. They're much appreciated, and I will see you all tomorrow. Cheers. Thank you very much as well, Jack Roberts. I'll see you later, TikTok. Peace before my phone dies. Okay, there we go. Sorry, because I'm not amazed. That's actually a goated comment. How we doing, guys? This is what happens. I need to stream on their gaming channel. I might try and stream it tonight. Which Zelda would I need to play first? Like, does anyone have a bloody... What am I looking... What's the word I'm looking for? A timeline YouTube video of all the Zeldas? So I can get an understanding of which ones I need to play in order? Was never a big Zelda guy, enjoyed Mario more. Fair enough. I heard a lot of them are good. Yeah, I've only ever played 3. Ocarina of Time and the Breath of the Wilds. I don't even think I finished the Breath of the Wilds, to be honest. Yeah. My Game Boy, but I'm sure. Oh, okay, yeah. Start a timeline. Hey, my guy. Is our Discord too, chat? I'm keen to utilize the chat rooms more too and just have some yarns. What do you reckon about that? This is the first time I met Cap and Wicked. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me. Oh, I wish I went to go watch P Money, eh? Hey girl, how you doing? You just waking up? Casey. Local cars and then exchanging them for mats. I was paying off my loans. Nah, welcome back. Okay, let's get. Hey, you gotta like that, eh? You're hitting them with a fade. Okay. I'm sorry. Damn. Is he bald now? I reckon Jiggy's one of these barbers, eh? Pretend this is her brush stroke. Don't move. Did I fucking say move? It's her husband, so it's allowed. Why was that spot on? I had my fair share of head slaps when I was listening when I got my haircuts from my aunties. They were fucking atrocious, man. My missus points out all my greys, so she's banned from cutting it now. I'm still waiting for my first ones, eh? I'm gonna leave my greys in because I'm transitioning to the Witcher phase, you know? I'm on Twitch as well. Hey, what's up, Fev? He's have more white hairs than my boyfriend. I've probably got more back hair than my wife. No. Yeah, no, I've got no white hair. I get like the odd white ginger beads. The whites and the red beard here. Hold on now. Yeah, I get the old white beard here, but not on the lid. Wait till he goes, bro, I'm surprised they're not here yet. Yeah, oh bro, whoever's gonna be their partners in the future, they ain't seen the asshole yet. What do you do for a living? I do traditional Maori wood carving and I stream full time. Warning, you're falling for him. It's gonna dye my head all white at this point because I have too much. Wait, really? I reckon it'd be hard to see with your, you know, your Polynesian here. I'm gonna say it like that. I'll tell you, man, when I wake up and leave my hair out, I wake up looking like Alpha and Sika. Yeah. My hair goes from flowy to boing. What's your dream car? Nothing, brother. Nothing. Anything that can, you know, take my family that is not a van. Party is not for the weak. Very true, very true. Very true. Gotta brush it down just to get it down all the time. Brock's in a soccer mom van. You shut your mouth. Ha! Dare you. Yeah, my hair's getting long again. Don't you ever say soccer van in my name again. I told my wife, see, that's the one thing I ain't damn driving in my life is a van. Hit the drive. Oh shit, it's looking clean. Like the newest car I've ever driven is a. We drove a, I think, Mitsubishi Qashqai. I call it a cash cow, but that was the most futuristic car I've ever driven. I'm walking, you're getting in the van. I told my wife, nah, you sitting in the middle. Your ass going in the middle, bruh. But you're not wrong though. But we were sitting in this Qashqai and we were like, oh, this will fit 3 kids at the back. Pulling up in a Chrysler. Bro, what's a Chrysler again? I gotta Google it. Cross the waters till you see the boys in blue. Chrysler. Not even a Scooby. Fuck no. You want to know a thing about the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine? All the there's this camper van company, and all the vans look like the Mystery Machine. Yeah, nah. Those I call them shady vans. It's just all the movies I watch. You know those shady vans that go around trying to nap people. These bang bus looking things. Bro, I drive a V-Dub Mini. Bro, those are gangster. I probably drive a V-Dub Mini, I ain't gonna lie. No cap. V-Dub Minis are cool. My mum had one growing up. She showed me photos of it, had like the surfboard and everything. I was like, true, I'm a bit of a beach bum. They're not your boy. Hey, heard that. Yeah, bro, the original ones now go for a ridiculous price, bro. Watching the rugby this weekend. Who's playing this weekend? I'm going to Disney on Ice. Not by choice. No, I'm probably going to enjoy Disney on Ice too. It's my baby's birthday this weekend. Turning 6. And yeah, we're going to my baby's school hooked us up with tickets, because every year my youngest, their kohanga goes every year, so we're just gonna take her up for that. Go to the zoo. Probably have more fun at the zoo than the kids. Is it? Oh, true. I didn't even know that. No, I hardly watch TV, so I never know what's going on with the rugby. Yeah. What else? I'm trying to figure out what events we have left in the Olympics. I know the kayaking or the Lisa Carrington still got hers. I lay back down the pill on the bar. Yeah. We're coming 13th. Dirty. How long we been on for, Fano? Getting ready to play some CS. Oh, nice, nice. 249. 250. Alright, alright. Thank you very much for the 22 out of 30 on the daily too, Fano. Appreciate that. YouTube, I'm gonna finish these up early for today, so if you want to jump over to Twitch for the last 10 minutes, feel free to. Much love to YouTube, and yeah, much appreciated.